Say, well, hello, everybody. This is another day of Leo drinking out of the sink because he doesn't want to drink the water. That water has evaporated since 2 days ago. He will not touch it. It's spring water. That's tap water. Why do you do this to me, Meat Moo? Well, I guess that's what it is, right? And I let him. Because that's the only way he'll drink water. With his little cute self. He's going to be just the handsomest little thing in the whole wide world. Leo. Leo. Yee. I love you. Yes, I do. Yeah. There we go. Get kiss. See? Peace, everybody. Say